Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to solve Facebook photo upload problems for US accounts in 2026. So if your pictures are not uploading, getting stuck, or failing halfway, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection. A weak Wi-Fi or unstable mobile data is one of the most common reasons photo uploads fail. Next, close Facebook completely and reopen it. So sometimes the app glitches, and restarting it clears temporary upload errors. Make sure your Facebook app is updated. Outdated versions often cause bugs like failed photo uploads or freezing issues. Another issue could be your photo file. Make sure it's in a supported format like JPG or PNG and not too large or corrupted. If you're on Android, clear the cache. On iPhone, reinstall the app to remove corrupted data that may block uploads. VPNs or unstable networks can also block uploads. Try turning off VPN or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. And that's how to solve Facebook photo upload problems for US accounts in 2026. Once you fix your internet, update your app, and check your file format, uploads should work normally again. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more Facebook troubleshooting tutorials. Hey everyone, in this tutorial